This is Jenny from Jenny's Travels and Cruises, and I'm on my way to Jamaica, and I'd like to take you with me. So let's go. I think I have a problem. Every time I want to go somewhere else, I always end up in Jamaica. Please enjoy this video, and you know what to do.
Deposit to secure all your valuables. To utilize the box, it's any 4 or 5-digit code of your choice. Press lock, and the same code plus lock to reopen. Alright.
Okay.
The thermostat for the AC is right here. This is what turn it up, turn it down, turn it up. Alright. You guys also get the open bar, which is all inclusive.
Alright.
So you get Johnny Walker Red, Appleton Estate, Smirnoff, and Garden, and everything is all inclusive. Alright. Inside the fridge, you get 2 Sprite, 2 regular Coke, 2 non-sugar Coke, 2 Red Sharp Light, 3 Red Sharp Original, and bottles of water, alright? And remember, all Original and bottles of water, alright? And remember, all this is restocked 1 time per day. So if you guys use anything and it's going low or running out, you just stay online, tell them, they'll send someone to restock it for you, alright?
Okay.
Also, if you guys need to ask any more questions,
¡Qué rico está esto!
I have never been to a hotel or a resort with 2 swim-up bars. Leave a comment if you have. Before I close out, let me do a quick review on this beautiful hotel, the Riu Palace Aquarelle. It is amazingly wonderful. I had a beautiful week there, and I found that the food was delicious. The staff was hospitable, kind, loving people, took care of me like family. I highly recommend this hotel. I will be back. Keep an eye out for me, Riu Palace Aquarelle. Jenny's Travels and Cruises, signing out. Thanks again. Bye.